Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pressbox. Extra news: Bukayo Saka's statistics against Wolverhampton. Let us agree this guy, Arsenal needs this guy in all corners. Madueke is there. Even other players are there who can play the same position where Bukayo Saka plays. But when it comes to the left front, Bukayo Saka is really doing not bad. Though, now against the Wolves, he had one shot. He had 4 fouls won. Had one big chance he created. Had 4 key passes. Had 90% accuracy passes. 2 recoveries. He might not be all that good, but he is really needed by us.